So we're in Calaveras Big Trees at the visitor center. Yes. With Matt. Yeah. Right there.
Really tall.
They are.
And these grow really, really wide.
Yeah. I know. We're gonna go home and
So if you could take it, post whatever, and put it on a scale, and even though it's taller, it would not weigh as much as a sequoia tree put on a scale.
All right, so we're gonna do this North Grove Trail. It's about a mile. It's a mile loop or something. But look at this. Look at this huge tree. Wow, that's pretty big.
It's huge.
Written in wood.
Over 6 feet.
Look at all that. As big as you, Matt. Bigger than you. We're gonna do this trail. Trailing it up. Trail guides right here.
Suggested donation.
Now, well. Oh, big tree. This is a big stump. That's a big stump. That's a big stump. What are you stumped?
Whoa, I'm stumped. It's big.
It's a big stump. You go up the big stump. Let's go up.
Probably started to grow from 1 BCE.
Look at that. Big stump. There's your history. This is number 1.
By looking downstream, you can see the cuts made in the log of the discovery tree. The supporting beams were placed for the bar and bowling alley. Cuts in the log. Oh, this is the discovery. 180 million years old.
Hey, you're not supposed to go there! They do it. You slipped and went into the area!
Family, yeah, and wow.
Crazy. It's the Siamese twins. Wow. Old bachelor.
You can see its hat.
Oh yeah.
Oh, 10 is... Yeah, it says right up there.
Oh god. Whoa.
Isn't it weird?
Whoa.
It's like quiet and cool. Mother tree.
Somebody ruined it.
Mother tree. Sun tree. Watch for stands of mountain dogwood and hazelnut.
It's the mother of the forest. if you look right up there, I don't know if you can see it. It's a hole. Ah, it's a hole. Oh, craziness. Well, it's sure beautiful. If you ever have the chance to get out here, definitely come out because this is awesome. This is a great Saturday afternoon activity as well, too. Only cost $10 to get into the park and parking. Parking was free. I mean, that was probably the fee, really. But, yeah, you should come out here sometime. Right, Matt? Come out here.
Yeah.
Sorry, Matt, putting you on camera.
Sorry.
Look like young sequoias.
Some of the young sequoias are already close to 100 feet tall.
Wow. Would you look at that?
It was right up there, remember?
This is how they they put it in.
This is the heart. The grove. These are 800 to 3,000 years old, apparently. Apparently. It's number 19, and it's named Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln, he's got his top hat on. We've named these trees. This is Martin Park. Because why not?
Aglaia, Euphrosyne, and Thalia, the three graces of Greek mythology.
Remember that, guys. There'll be a test at the end. These ones are some of the largest in the grove.
Nice and cool here. Who sees any flowers?
Just on the tree.
Would you say the diameter is 17 feet?
I guess they have other ones
At
in the
4.5
park.
feet above the ground, it's 17 feet.
Wow.
I'm glad you guys mentioned that. I took a picture of one of the trucks.
Very largest trees grow in the southern part of the range in Sequoia and Kings Canyon National. I like trees.
I like trees. Let's see what it feels like. Want to feel it? You guys want to feel it? Oh, oh. Oh, that's interesting.
It's fibrous.
Fibrous. It will
It's
not
like,
burn.
it feels like hollow and light.
Right?
Like you could just like
Just like, pick up the tree, man.
yeah, pick it up.
Pick it up. That's so weird. Wow. Wow.
Holes in several ways.
Oh.
Torn strips of bark are used as nesting material by chickadees.
Oh, you heard that?
Carpet ants, chickadees bark.
Okay, okay.
Red-breasted sapsuckers drill holes in the thin bark.
I didn't know that. Now I do. Thank you for that knowledge. I appreciate it. All right, so that was the North whatever trail, and we're gonna go do another one here in a
North
little bit.
Grove.
But North Grove Trail. We're gonna get some food, I think.
Yes.
So
Yes.
eat some
please.
foods. Eat some foods.
Please.
Yes. Foods. Foods. Yes. All right, so we just had a great lunch at Snowshoe Brewery. Had a couple beers. Good stuff. Good stuff. It was good food. There's a picture of what I did, I guess. But yeah, good stuff. All right, so we're gonna be doing the bluffs after that big
Oh
old lunch.
man.
Oh, it was good. It was good. It was a very nice brewery, Snowshoe Brewery.
Snowshoe Thompson.
Snowshoe Thompson. There you go. And we're going to be doing this hikey.
Lava Bluffs.
Lava Bluffs. Yeah, it's a little bit more non-kid this time. Which will be nice.
Yeah, little guy just hanging on the path.
Little guy? Little guy.
Just mind his own business.
Just chilling. Growing. Being.
Woo! Going uphill.
Whew.
Oh, we just did that thing.
That was a tough one. Whew.
That was steep.
Whew. We'll keep going.
It's got a name. Trailhead.
What's the trailhead's name?
Lava Bluffs.
Oh, Lava Bluffs. Okay.
That's what I did.
Just to climb up this. Just to climb up this. I'm out of shape, guys. Oh yeah, just making sounds for camera, mostly. Kind of. Oh, school bus. Oh.
It would have been like a little more right about the elevation.
As Newton said, what goes up must come down. We still gotta climb up that when we come back. We're going back down. Steepy weepies here.
Yeah, you're right, Johnny.
It's hard on the knees.
Yeah, there's a stick.
There's a stick. I'm gonna take this stick. Ow. I'm gonna use this stick as a walking stick. There we go, we got it. Got it.
All right, you're all set.
This little creek. Yeah?
Nice and cold.
It's a creek.
Oh, good.
Okay, this uphill never stops, guys.
So Lava Bluffs means you're going uphill. Okay, got it.
Holy shoot. I got the mosquitoes coming out now, too.
Yeah. Oh.
All right, we made it. Well, almost. Holy crap. Whoa.
I don't know what that is, but
Mosquitoes are evil. Mosquitoes terrible.
We made it. Lava Bluffs, here we are.
Here we go. That is as far as we could go, 4. Because it just keeps on going and going. And yeah, there's a lot of mosquitoes out too. It's gross. But it's beautiful. Whatever happening is happening over in that lake.
Yeah, what is that? It's like some weird waterfall?
Reclaimed city water or something? I don't know. If you know, tell me in the comments. That was called what reservoir?
McKay's.
McKay's Reservoir down there. Now, what we climbed up, got to go down. What we went down, we got to climb up again. Whew. This was a pretty brutal trail. What do you think, Matt?
Oh yeah.
Like we got to 4,
Steep.
which is good enough. Very steep. Yeah.
There's not a lot of switchbacks. It's just up.
Like I don't know what the elevation gain is. I could probably find that out on my cell phone data, my tracker. But it goes up there pretty damn high. And I'm watching myself. So I'm gonna put this away and watch myself because I got a bad one here coming up. Don't want to fall.
Here's mosquito heaven.
Mosquito heaven. Whew. Yeah, this trail is definitely ridiculous. Like, yeah, no. Would not recommend. This is the one that I showed you. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, you gotta be careful. Steep. Almost there. Okay, we're good. It's steep. Yeah. Whew. And we made it.
Yeah.
Oh,
We saw the
it
view.
was brutal. But we're
Wait,
here.
There's no way that they walked all the way around and came back already. Really? Do you
What?
think they did?
What?
No.
All right. That was a good one. I think we're done. Goodbye. So we're gonna actually try another trail. We're gonna go to the South Grove and see some old over there. I don't know how long this battery is gonna last, but I've got my phone. So if I need to film on my phone, I can film on my phone. Yeah. There's a giant sequoia for you. Huge. Huge. I think that says 1939. I think it's huge.
Whoop. Yeah, we're by the water. Mosquitoes are back.
Yep. And silly me, I forgot to record an outro So here it is. We're leaving, and we had a really good time. I would definitely suggest you come in and checking it out. It was a lot of fun. And have a good one, guys. Thanks for watching.